Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Don't wanna live a lie, lie, lie. So tell my boyfriend what I've been doing. Been thinking of you. Hey, tell my school friend. And if you want me, you gotta put the word in. Go tell your girlfriend. The feelings are lost in my lungs. They're burning like Barbary love. And there's no if I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack.
Rubbing on it like you rub around that. Jennifer, would you prefer? I know you playing games, I know that's how we were. The first girl that I loved, first girl that I heard. I'm calling out for Jennifer, ain't calling.
I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I can keep all your secrets in my pocket, lock it. And then I keep it held down when I lock and drop it. Yeah.
Kahit di kita mahingi dyan sa boyfriend mo, konting oras tumatawag ka sa number ko. Alam kung di ka mapakali, di ka mapakali, na di ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi. Kahit di kita
The feelings are lost in my lungs. They're burning like Barbary love. And there's no time to play.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Baby Your Mind Vlog. My today's video, I want to greet my only child because she's turning 23 today, and she's celebrating her birthday in Philippines while I'm here in Hong Kong working. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Anyway, say first thank you, but my wish to my daughter, Angel, my friend, my best friend, my enemy, my best friend anyway, because we're even though we're a mom and daughter, but our relationship is very close. So we treat ourselves like we're best friend, na nothing to hide, walang tinatago, everything sinishare through good or bad. Yun, so open kaming dalawa. And then yun, wish ko sa kanyang birthday today, and sa marami pang birthday na darating sa buhay niya. Wishing you happiest birthday. And sorry, wala ako lagi dyan, di ba? Alam mo na, saan ako. And wishing you all the best in life. Malapit na, almost near. You will be finish your school. Magiging ka na, bachelor ka na. This coming June, she will be graduated. She will be graduating students at June. So thank you so much for being thank you so much for making me proud always, especially your school record. She's a Dean's Lister, I'm proud to say. She's a Dean's Lister of LaSalle, Bacolod City. So as I call back from the start, from the beginning, she's starting the school. Of course, ako yung unang teacher niya. So, I trained her well, as in. Alam niyo yun, sobra akong... Sa lahat ng bagay, stricto ako. Pinaka na stricto ko sa school. Sa ibang bagay, yes, tamad. Parang hindi mo mautusan, okay lang yun. Sige. Kasi ako ganun din eh. Ganun. So, iniintindi ko siya. Dahil, syempre, saan ba yung mamana? Kundi sa akin din. But later or someday, she will know how to do the household chores and everything. Ano yun. Pero, ang pag-aaral is, isa yun ang una kong naging very strict ako pagdating sa pag-aaral. I'm not that such smart as her. But, ang ano ko is, ang aim ko at ang goal ko sa magiging anak ko someday, yung wish ko is that kung hindi man singer yung anak ko, maano siya, matalino. So, andun siya sa matalino. Because I know na kaya niya. I know her na ability na kaya makayanan niya lahat. So, I tried, of course, mold ko din siya. Kung anong gusto ko, ginawa ko para sa kanya, para naman sa ano niya yun, sa future, at saka, para sa maging successful niya someday. So, kung anong gusto ko, yun ginawa ko. Gusto ko maging matalino siya. So, I make everything, all the discipline, all the things, tinuro. Kasi, syempre, ikaw ang nanay, ikaw ang unang teacher ng anak mo. And you are the model of your daughter. So, same thing. Kung gusto mong maging maganda yung anak mo, magiging mabuti, kung anong gusto mo sa kanya, gawin mo. At the same time, ikaw, maging matino ka ding nanay. Siyempre, alangan naman na sabihin mo, wag siyang ganito, wag siyang ganyan. Tapos, ikaw pala gumagawa ka ng ganun. So, it's not good. So, it's better na, wag kang ganito. Siyempre, hindi ka rin ganyan. Diba? So, yun, lahat. So, lahat ng sacrifice ko is almost going through na. Magiging successful na kami. So, yun, galing siya sa public school, and then, nung grade 12 siya, ano ba yun? K plus 12, diba? Meron tayo. So, doon, nag-aaral siya ng private sa LaSalle. So, yun, umabot din siya with honors, high honors, with honors. And then, nung college, diretso sa LaSalle na din. So, until now, from first year to third year or fourth year. So, she's always a Dean's Lister every year. So, maybe this is the, wish niya rin na until the end ng college niya, makuha na yung gusto niya. Yung cum laude or something. Basta ginawa niya. She do also her best. Because she also wants to mag-successful. So, yun, ginawa niya. So, yun, I work hard, then she work hard also for her school. So, for now, yung mga pinasa niya sa akin na sumasayaw siya, yun ang niya, libangan niya, sayaw, then sa bahay lang siya, kasama yung mga alaga niyang si Pepper, yung baby niya. So, yun lang. So, this your talent reveal. Pinost ko ha. Sorry. Pero, I'm proud. Ang galing mo sumayaw. Pero hindi ako ganyan kagaling sumayaw. Pero, sa'yo na yun. It's your talent. So, it's time for you to be, it's time for you to shine. Charot. So, my dear, happy birthday. Oh, I love you so much. I miss you. Soon we will be together again, okay? Happy birthday. Thank you everyone for watching. And I hope you guys nakarelate sa aking story as a mom and daughter to all Mother Day year. So, yun. We do our best to our children, to our child, so that they do their best also for us, okay? So, ayun, thank you Lord for this child I have. So thankful ako every day na siya yung binigay sa akin. And yun, lahat ng pangarap ko, I think mga pangarap ko is maabot niya. Yun, para sa kanya. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching. And happy birthday, my dear. Sorry, surprise to you. Kaya ginawa ko yung video na to. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.